According to Dr. Idle Trouble, the proximity of NIBIRU to Earth could cause the eruption of the supervolcano in Yellowstone. SGS climatologist allegedly carried out research work in Yellowstone together with USGS scientists, NASA, and other federal officials. Dr. Trouble's discoveries reveal something very dangerous, and the USGS has permanent surveillance in Yellowstone. According to Dr. Trouble, when he worked at UFCS, very few scientists knew of the existence of NIBIRU, and it was where he found out that NIBIRU is drastically disturbing our climate, causing global warming, and NIBIRU is the variable that makes it all make sense. The USGS together. The Department of Homeland Security has turned a large part of the park into restricted areas. The USGS and NASA are conducting multiple studies and investigations in the Yellowstone super caldera, trying to determine if the magma chamber has begun to suffer disturbances due to the proximity of NIBIRU. According to Dr. Trouble, the USGS and NASA are fools. Because they have no idea what they are doing, because they discovered the concordance between NIBIRU and increasing weather disturbances on Earth. NIBIRU is rapidly increasing the temperature and pressure of the magma in the Yellowstone super caldera, and this superheated magma needs to release so much pressure somewhere, and unfortunately that place could only be the surface of the Earth. And the most terrible thing is that there is a worst case scenario, and that is that these idiots from the SGS and NASA and their silly experiments are irresponsibly drilling into the Yellowstone caldera, and what could hasten the destruction, and we might even not have to wait for it to come NIBIRU before these idiots make it explode. According to Dr. Trouble, for more than 10 years the USGS manipulates the seismic sensors in Yellowstone to create false data to attenuate the scale of these. The undeniable, according to Dr. Trouble, is that the increase in pressure in the Yellowstone caldera is produced by proximity of NIBIRU. So you have to be alert very soon. The caldera will not withstand the pressure and could erupt. But we hope that before this happens, the United States government will notify the population in time and start the evacuations. The United States government has all the data and all the information regarding to the NIBIRU disturbances on Earth, so they decide if they save as many lives as possible or if they keep silent to try to save themselves.